Hi, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to talk about infamous DIY skincare. Okay, the thing is, I have seen my friends, they use, not all my friends, some of my friends, and I don't have many friends, to be very honest. I'm kind of a lonely person. I don't talk to people much. Anyway, so my friends, they use this tomato juice and toothpaste together for a face mask. Yeah, they do apply this on their skin. They told me they learned it from YouTube. Even I am guilty. I used to use this toothpaste for the spot treatment for acne. It didn't work, made my skin dry. I got dark spot. And tomato juice. Tomato juice is acidic, not as acidic as lemon. Tomato has excessive amount of lycopene, and extra lycopene is not good for our skin. It may cause photosensitivity. Not a very good idea. I mean, bad idea. I never made DIY serum creams, never in my life, and face wash DIY. I have done many wrong things in my life, but not these things. I have done DIY face mask, and if you see my channel, in the beginning I made one video where I applied turmeric face pack every day for 30 days. It worked initially. I think I started seeing the side effects from next month, I think. I didn't realize it happened for the turmeric. Initially it helped me with the pigmentation. I thought so. Actually, I did it for 30 days. So my skin might have healed by itself. Yeah, I started seeing the side effects. My skin was dry, dehydrated. I don't recommend DIY face mask for every day. No, I do it once in a week. Even turmeric, I think I have added too much turmeric in that face pack, so that caused issues. And I have watched one video just today from Dr. Vanita Ratan. She is great, and she made this video about DIY skincare. She spoke about apple cider vinegar, lemon, then avocado oil. Even I used avocado oil for this, oil cleansing. If you want to use this as the last step of your skincare, like facial oil, and you want to step out in the sun, it may get oxidized, because I have read unsaturated oils, they have double bonds. The oils with double bonds can oxidize really quickly, so you can use these oils during the night. But I won't recommend you to apply those oils on your skin and go and expose your skin to sunlight, because it may get oxidized. I mean the oils, and it is not a good thing. And first, lemon. I have been saying this from the beginning. Lemon is not good. Still I see people rubbing lemon on their skin. I understand it is their skin, it is their choice. If they want to ruin their skin, they can. Obviously, I'm no one to judge them, but I'm judging them. Oh my god, I'm so judgmental. When it comes to skincare, I'm so sorry, but I don't want to impose my opinions. I really believe people need to know both sides of the story, because in the DIY skincare recipes with lemon, people tout that it is gonna make your skin brighter and this and that. But what is the reality? How is gonna do it? They say it has vitamin C, it has citric acid, and it is a very strong AHA. Even Dr. Vanita Ratan, she pointed this out. And we don't know the percentage of vitamin C in there. And high percentage or concentration, they don't always mean that it's gonna be great for our skin. It's about the safe limit. Like phenoxyethanol preservative, it is safe when it is used in 1% or under that. But if brands start using this phenoxyethanol at 50%, it is not going to be good for our skin. Lemon is extremely acidic. You want to know how acidic it is? See, I have done the litmus paper test. It is red. It is below 2. The pH is nowhere closer to our skin's pH. Extremely acidic. Is bad for our skin's barrier. Can give you chemical burns. Can cause photosensitivity. So why you want to do this to your skin? I have no idea. Many people apply potato juice on their skin. Even I have done this. I had previously made one video how to use potato juice on our skin, but I deleted the video because I don't use this anymore. You wanna know why? See, the pH of potato is not as bad as lemon. It is kinda good, but the problem is potato juice can get oxidized really easily. So I'm not comfortable using this on my skin anymore. So if you're doing these things, using these ingredients in your DIY skincare, please do the research. Search for the side effects, the pH, chemical composition, and I understand why people do these DIY things. Now, first, these are inexpensive, but this can also cost your skin, so be careful. Number two, they think these things are all natural, chemical free. Not only me, many people on internet have been telling you again and again everything is made of chemicals. Water is made of oxygen and hydrogen. Even lemon, it has many chemical components in it. So don't think it's like chemical free. They're like good chemicals, they're bad chemicals. As simple as that. And actually many YouTubers and bloggers, they will do everything to convince us that their DIY recipe is the best. It works. They only can give anecdotal evidence first. Sometimes there are no, like zero scientific data. They don't do even enough research. Otherwise they wouldn't have advised us to put lemon or rub lemon on our skin. I understand that it is not possible to know everything, but I don't think they're doing this out of ignorance. They do this because people click on these things like instant fairness, instant removal of dark spots, this instant thing. But skincare is not about instant. Please understand this. This is not makeup. Skincare is about slow but steady progress. So this is not cool. Then another thing I have seen, I have talked about this before, that people make DIY face serum. People even instruct us to make DIY sunscreen. In America, our brand cannot sell sunscreen without FDA's approval because it is taken as over-the-counter medicine, something like that. I truly believe India has this lack of regulation about sunscreen, and touting this DIY sunscreen, one doesn't know about the SPF and how it is going to work. I mean, it is not always about the ingredients, it is about the formulation as well. For example, I cannot cook well. So if you give me 5 ingredients, and my husband cooks really well, and if you give the same 5 ingredients to my husband, my dish and my husband's dish, these aren't gonna be same. Even take my husband and take one professional chef. Obviously the professional chef would know more about the formulation, how to put these ingredients together. It is about how you are bringing everything together, what percentage you are using, how you are using this. It is not always about what you are using, but how you are using. And when people make DIY sunscreen, DIY niacinamide serum, like vitamin C serum, they don't even know what percentage of vitamin in there, like what form of vitamin in there. And simply our skin cannot absorb everything. It doesn't work like a sponge. And thank God it doesn't. It has this protective barrier. I have heard people saying that this ingredient has antibacterial properties, so it is going to be good for our skin. But you have to understand, our skin has one healthy microbiome as well. It has good bacteria. What about that? So there are many things to consider. This is why we have cosmetic formulators, dermatologists. This is not okay to put anything and everything on our skin just because it's natural. And I have noticed another thing, people are putting cinnamon on their skin as scrub. Please don't do that. It is gonna disrupt your skin's barrier. It's gonna harm your skin. Our skin is very good at hiding damage. You might not see the damage now, but after 1 month or after 1 year, it might catch up. What happened with me with that turmeric mask, because I applied this every day. Initially it was all cool, but after some time it caught up. Please be very careful, and please don't put baking soda on your skin as well. Very alkaline, people use this as scrub, something like that. Why? Use chemical exfoliant, even use mild physical exfoliants, but not this. And apple cider vinegar in skincare, I never recommended it. I will never recommend it. I highly encourage you to watch Dr. Vanita Ratan's new video about DIY skincare, which is very helpful. So, okay, let me check one thing, that you know what's happening. I wear this lipstick and I see when I'm done recording, I have lipstick on my teeth. It looks so funny. So I'm getting really conscious. I mean, I think I have big teeth. And many people are asking me that why do I look so shiny? Because I sweat. a lot because I'm working without any fan and AC, so it's very hot here. It's around 40 degree over here and it's hot. This is the reason, and I use this lights. I don't use ring lights, I use torch, mobile torch as light to make my videos look more professional. I mean I think this is the reason I look so shiny. So yeah, and this is a good hack. If you don't want to use or invest on a ring light, you can use the mobile torch, what I'm doing right now. I have used two phones as torch. So yeah, a very useful hack. Don't buy ring light, it works very well, at least for me. I look shiny. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found my video to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye. Bye bye.